Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your profile picture on Grindr's application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your profile picture on Grindr, firstly go ahead and open your Grindr application. The home page of Grindr application will appear on the screen. From the home page, tap on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. Now click on your display picture. On the next page, click on your edit profile option. Now click on your recent profile and tap on cross icon. Choose the picture that you want to change to and tap on it. Now all you need to do is click on save. This is how you can change profile picture on Grindr application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.